2 days before the hunt, and we are driving the roads of our unit, just kind of doing some early scouting, seeing if any of this snow got these bucks on their feet, moving around.
Got quite a few inches these last 2 snowstorms, and we still have another 3 or so inches in the next day or so.
Some coming,
so we'll see.
Gotta be ready, and be nice to find just some pockets of does and some of this BLM we're in.
Seen some tracks this far, but nothing very fresh.
Yeah,
so.
looks like a couple of sets.
A lot of hunters, that's for sure. Some more.
Tracks right here, so you can see it's probably
they're just covered, yeah.
Not a bad area to glass if you're seeing tracks.
Mm-hmm. I mean, we saw tracks not too far back. Again, not fresh, but
down like in this canyon.
Got Doggo with us. He's a city dog turned mountain dog.
Can you sleep?
I can't tell. Which way? This way? Oh yeah, because the spread's up front. But yep, it's a good sized bull actually. For record, we're not hunting bulls, we're hunting deer, but it's still exciting. That was today, I would say.
Huh?
I would say that's definitely today.
Oh, for sure.
Look at this track right here, baby. 2? Yeah, so we actually went out for get a few things, needed some gators and a few other things for the hunt. We weren't expecting to come for a quick drive, but figured why not, it was still early. So we'll see. Focus. If I see him. He's looking right at us. Oh, he's nice. Damn, he's nice. Uh-huh.
Got a muley.
No way. That quick, the damn ghosts. Mountain ghosts.
I got a buck.
Do you? No way. Where?
He's a shooter.
Where?
Oh my god. Stay still, stay still, stay still.
Is he in a clearing? Where is he?
Yeah, he's working his way. We're gonna lose him, but he's a shooter. Okay, so kind of where the elk was. See the first big clearing hill right here?
Yeah.
He's just above that in a second, and he's about to go down where we're gonna lose him. Yep, he's a shooter, buck. No, come this way. Come on, come on, come on.
Let's see it. See it.
Here, look at him first through here. Don't touch it because it's wobbly, but you can see where he's at. You see him? Let me see.
Oh, yep, I see him. I see him. Okay, so it's right there. Yep, I see him. Alright.
Oh, he's a nice buck, dear.
Can you report it?
Yeah. He's a real nice buck.
Yeah, I struggle finding them somewhere.
See him?
That's the elk.
Right here?
Yeah.
Down low? Right
Yeah.
here? No way.
Yeah. That's the elk, honey. If you just move diagonal.
Oh shit, he's right on the road, dear.
Yeah.
That's a different elk.
Uh-huh.
No, our elk we saw was way up there, baby. That's totally a different elk.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Eating right.
Yes, he's walking to the right. He's on the
Yeah.
road. He's literally on the road, dear.
That's hilarious.
That is not the same elk. Because he's one of his points is super long. He's just
let me
got a
see your
beam.
phone. Here, you look at this and I'm gonna get the phone.
Found a whole bunch of elk. Found one shooter buck and a few does. So not bad for just a few hours of driving around and putting some glass out. Really nice bulls.
We saw 'em.
Fortunately, that's how it goes when you have a deer tag.
Yeah, so we ended up seeing 4 or 5 bulls and then one little forky of a deer, and
He was a little bigger than a 40. I don't know if he might have been a 3x.
and then no, he was definitely a fork. And about 3 does, 4 does. So
Not
not
a good group of does, so we'll come back and
we'll see.
we'll check
2
on
days.
them as the season progresses to see the butts.
The butts.
The
The
bucks
bucks.
should be starting to rut now, so they should be moving
Yeah.
moving
Thanks.
around pretty often and frequent. So we'll keep at it, trying to track down something bigger. But you know, I'm gonna
Take
play every deer that I see and make a play on to see if we can get within range just for practice. But
We'll
you
see.
know, Meat is meat sometimes.
No, meat is meat always.
That's true. Always.
But let's see, 2 more days.
We'll
Not
see,
a bad
guys.
day of scouting for
So all you elk
3
owners
hours.
who need to know where the elk are, I
Yeah.
got you, but
yeah. Tell
I'm
us
gonna
where the
need
deer
some
are.
deer info in return.
Let's see. All right, guys.
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck. 2 more days.